Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start pairing right away. First, verify power and Bluetooth. Put AirPods in the case, open the lid, and hold the case button until the light blinks white. This tells the earbuds to advertise. On Windows, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices and click Add Device. On Mac OS, open Bluetooth Preferences. Once you click Add Device, select AirPods from the list. This is how the desktop discovers them. Make sure proximity is close and no other device is actively connected. Once paired, you must set AirPods as your desktop audio device. Open Sound Settings and choose AirPods for output and, if needed, input. Make sure to select the AirPods microphone or automatic so apps use it. If you notice latency or poor quality, change the sample rate or format in the Advanced Sound Properties. Lower latency can require 16-bit, 44100 HC. Also, check app-specific audio settings. Some apps default to system devices, so change them to AirPods. Finish by testing playback and the microphone in a call. Confirm left and right channels and clear voice input. If you encounter dropouts or no sound, disconnect and remove AirPods from Bluetooth devices, then pair again. This often resolves driver or handoff conflicts. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then repair. One key troubleshooting tip. Disable other nearby Bluetooth devices. Interference is a common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.